Welcome back, guys. Today we are making these juicy and delicious smash burgers. Let's dive in. We will start by molding the burger patties. This is about half a kg of minced beef, which will yield about 8 burger patties. This will totally depend on how big you want your burger patties to be. You can get more than 8 burger patties or even less than 8 burger patties if you want them larger. Mold the patties into balls like you would when you're making meatballs and place them on a plate lined with baking paper. I'm eyeballing the size of the meatballs here, but you can weigh the patties if you want them to be extremely even. For the 8 patties, you'll need about 62 grams for each of the balls. Once you're done, cover with cling film and pop them in the fridge for a bit. I'll be using these Hala burger buns that I made in my previous video. The video is linked on the card above. Check it out once you're done watching this one. Cut the buns in half to get the top and the bottom burger bun. Apply butter on the burger buns. I'm using margarine here. You can use salted or unsalted butter, Blue Band, or even mayonnaise if you like. Let's prepare the other toppings. I'll be using this iceberg lettuce, a tomato, and a red onion. Thinly shred the lettuce and set it aside. Cut the red onion into rings and separate the rings into individuals. You can use pickled or fried onions if you prefer. Set that aside. Cut the tomato into thin slices and set them aside as well. It's time to get the meatballs from the fridge. They have firmed up enough and are ready to cook. Let's head to the stovetop. We will start with the buns. Lightly toast the buns and make sure the heat is on medium-low. The buns can burn really fast. Once they are all toasted, set the buns aside. Wipe down any residue on the pan and drizzle some oil. Let the oil heat up until it's steaming hot. Now add the patties to the pan. It's time to smash the patties. Season the burger patties with salt and pepper. Once the bottom is cooked, flip the patties. Place a cheese strip on one of the patties and let them cook to your satisfaction. Once they are fully cooked, place the other patty on top of the one with the cheese. Set the patties aside. You can use as many patties and cheese per burger as you like if you prefer a larger burger. You can even use one patty if you like a really thin burger. Do this as many times as you need for all the burgers you intend to make. Once they are done, let's assemble the burger. I'll be using this store-bought burger sauce, but I have a very easy homemade burger sauce recipe. I have linked it on the card above. Generously spread the burger sauce on the bottom bun. Let's build the burger up. Add a layer of lettuce, as much or as little as you want in your burger. Add the onion rings and the tomatoes. Then finally add the juicy burger patty. Apply the burger sauce on the top bun and place it on the burger nicely. Repeat this process for all the burgers you're making. You can customize the burger with whichever toppings you like for your preferred burger. That's perfect. Now we are done. Let's see how it looks in the inside. Look at that, it's so juicy and yummy. Trust me guys, it tastes as good as it looks. You have to try it out. Check out my burger buns recipe linked here. You can watch it next. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this recipe and you're going to try it out. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next one. Bye.